Welcome to the Gifted Home channel. I'm Tom Ungrodt. In this segment, we're going to talk briefly about sales taxes. Naturally, when you get into a business like this, there are forms, there are elements of the business that need to be structured before you start to move into the business. Sales tax is generally done through your State Department. You will have a contact, or you will contact someone at the State Department of Treasury, and they will have you fill out a series of applications. Critical that you do this as one of your first steps when you decide to move into your own business. The state will always want to make sure they know where you are and what you're doing, and you will always pay that, as I had mentioned earlier in your expenses, your state sales tax every month. You'll file the application for a state tax ID number. You should put that on your credit reference sheets. You should have that available for everything you do, because when you deal with vendors in this industry and others, they will ask for that number and make it very clear to them. That will carry throughout the time that you have the business. You should calculate the tax using the formula for your state, usually found in an instruction manual issued by the Department of Treasury. You can pick it up on the web. That's probably the easiest way. You could go to your accountant. They will supply you with all the appropriate forms. And there are plenty of them to fill out, but make sure you take care of it. The payment information for your sales tax, including due dates, you remit the information, can be obtained through your State Department of Treasury also. Everything is really done through the state, and I highly suggest that you make sure that your accountant is aware of what's going on. In our case, we do file our own taxes, but I have someone who is qualified in that arena. But I would definitely have your accountant take care of some of that for you. So quickly to summarize, sales taxes are critical. The forms, everything are available through the state. Do your homework, do your research, and get that filled out before you make a move and before you start to build your business. Thank you. The next area that we will look at will be income taxes and how inventory affects income taxes.